How to switch to chronological feed on X Twitter. Tired of X's algorithm deciding what you see and when you see it? The chronological feed puts you back in control and shows posts in real-time order. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to switch to it right now on both phone and desktop. Step 1. Open the X app on your phone or go to XCOM on your desktop, and make sure you are fully logged into your account. The feed switching option is accessible from the main home screen, so you do not need to dig through any settings menus to find it. Step 2. On mobile, look at the very top of your home feed and tap the X logo or the sparkle icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is X's feed switcher button, and tapping it instantly toggles between the algorithmic For You feed and the chronological following feed. Step 3. Select following from the options that appear. This switches your feed immediately to show only posts from accounts you personally follow. Displayed in real-time chronological order, with the newest posts appearing at the very top as they are published. Step 4. On desktop, go to XCOM and look at the top of your home timeline. You will see two tabs labeled For You and Following sitting side by side at the top of the feed. Simply click Following and your timeline switches to chronological order instantly without any additional steps required. Step 5. To make the following feed your default every time you open X, go to your settings by tapping your profile icon, then tap Settings and Support, then Settings and Privacy. Then Accessibility, Display and Languages, then Display, and look for the option to set your default timeline. Select Following to make chronological your permanent default feed going forward. Pro tip: if you want the best of both worlds, use the For You feed to discover new content and accounts, then switch to following when you want to stay current with breaking news or real-time events. Toggling between both takes one tap and gives you complete control over your X experience without committing to just one view permanently. To recap, tap the sparkle icon or X logo on mobile to switch feeds, select Following for chronological order, click the Following tab on desktop, and update your display settings to make it your permanent default. Simple one-tap fix that completely changes how you experience X. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more X and social media tips, and let me know in the comments. Do you prefer the algorithm or chronological feed and why? I read every comment. See you in the next one.